What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We gotta go over Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu just went crazy right now. It almost passed that resistance. Look at this. It almost did that. But yeah, let's go over this today. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. And if you guys like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe. Helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the algorithm. And also, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you guys want to hear about next, because I have sticky notes on top of sticky notes full of stuff that you guys want me to talk about. So I'm definitely going to go over those things individually. So yeah, let's get straight to it. Now, the first thing I want to talk about here is Shiba Inu. Look, as we went out of this channel right here, we went all the way down to that support line, kind of a little bit below it, went down to the no man's land that was 5550 or 554, whatever one you want to consider it. But that was where we were previously at on our lowest support line that we had in Shiba Inu in the longest time. So yeah, that's definitely not where we want to be, but it's definitely very good news that we shot up huge here, right here with Shiba Inu. So yeah, look at everything else. Everything else is starting to, kind of retrace a little bit. Everything's trying to, bounce back, from no man's land. But Shiba Inu is doing very good out of all the cryptos. Like, I did not expect Shiba Inu to just jump 12% like that. I did not expect this. This is definitely unexpected because Shiba Inu wasn't doing the best out of all the cryptos. And just to see something like that with Shiba Inu. But we got to remember what's been happening in Shiba Inu really recently. Like, we recently had a whole whale buy 150 billion Shiba Inu. That comes out to be about $1.1 million in SHIB right here. So yeah, that's a lot of Shiba Inu right here. This is the official post right here for Whale Stats. It's official. They bought 150 billion Shiba Inu, which was $1.1 million. Doesn't look like a big amount of money in the grand scheme of things, but when you think about it, there's only $2.5 billion inside of Shiba Inu. So when you get that much money inside of one purchase, that's still a very significant amount of money purchased inside of Shiba Inu. So we still have to look at that. That's a significant amount of money. But anyways, let's back up here just a little bit, because we got to really go over this technical analysis. Now, look, we were going down on this little trend line. Look, this is the Fibonacci retracement line that I actually made. And as you can see, we're going down on that line. And now Shiba Inu, it was kind of riding that line a little bit. I'm like, wow, this cannot stay like that for long. Like, look, when you see something like this happen, something is about to go big. Like, look, we've seen it go up like this. We've seen a little bit of an uptrend, and then it just shot up. Because inside of Dogecoin was actually the opposite, where Dogecoin looked similar to this. Like, Dogecoin went down and it went up like this, and then it went down again, but the second one was lower. So then it went, it did something like this. So what we've seen here with Dogecoin, let's actually move down here a little bit. What we've seen with Dogecoin actually went down on a downtrend like that, but you see Shiba Inu is an uptrend on these two lines right here. So I'm actually going to show you what I'm talking about with Dogecoin, so you just don't see a few lines that I draw and then be like, what are you talking about? Let me go over to Dogecoin so I can show you guys what I meant. So hopefully everything continues to rebound. But yeah, this is what I mean with Dogecoin. Dogecoin was going on a downtrend. Now Shiba Inu's was going on an uptrend. So that was actually very, very different to see. And what I'm talking about here, these two little lines right here, this is exactly what I'm talking about. Like, these two lines, they're going down. This one was below this one just by a little bit, but it was below it. And then when you look at Shiba Inu's, Sheep's was actually above it. And that's what helped Sheep jump a lot. So a lot of other things are tied to that too, because Shiba Inu is doing a lot of good things inside of the crypto community that they're actually working on. So yeah, we're going to go over that now. So what I want to talk about here, one thing with Sheep, look at this. We are building an ecosystem with our 3 tokens at the center. So Leash has a role inside our roadmap. As you can see, a scarce token with 18,000 holders plus, one of the best ways in Shiba Swap to attain bones, tokens, and soon with a complete new utility. So Sheep, Leash, and Bone. Shiba Inu has 3 things pushing it up. Dogecoin only has one, which is Dogecoin. So, and the Dogecoin Foundation, but it only has one actual coin pushing it up to the moon. So yeah, this is what we're seeing here inside of Shiba Inu. Sheep is actually still doing some trends here on Twitter. Let me back out from there. But yeah, Sheep is doing some trends on Twitter here. As you can see, type inside Sheep, and as you can see, 2,000 tweets within the last hour just of Sheep. Like, this is huge. I mean, Sheep has done a lot. Like, Sheep is going crazy. We got Sheep being promoted by Weeble. So there's a lot of different reasons why Shiba Inu is actually still rising above all these other cryptos right now. And it really is surprising to see Sheep do this and everything else going down. Like, it's really surprising. It's actually really good to see. But anyways, Coinbase, Robinhood, let's see where they're at. We need Shiba Inu on them. But anyways, let's move back here. So let's look at this next thing with Shiba Inu. up 13%, right? So let's go over the Shiba Inu prediction. Where will SHIB go after Tuesday's 17% plunge? So Shiba Inu's recent decline have called for both its future and that of Dogecoin's resurgence into the question, despite predictions that the Dogecoin renaissance is not over. The popular meme cryptocurrency began today, blah 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 blah, created in the image of Dogecoin, blah 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 blah. We want to read the actual stuff, the nitty and the gritty of the SHIB prediction right here. So is this crypto destined for the same resurgence as Dogecoin? So how far is Shiba Inu destined to go? This is what people are asking. So Wallet Investor, they predict that the price of Shiba Inu, although that the prices will continue to decrease throughout the coming month, because we're in a little bit of a downtrend here. Shiba Inu will begin the year roughly at 0.00001. So they're saying next year we're going to be knocking out at one of those zeros, and we're going to be at 0.00001 next year. So whether that's going to happen, I don't know. I'll let you guys decide on that. But just based off of what we're seeing here with Shiba Inu, how Shiba Inu is just growing in price above everything else, just going crazy while everything else is like going down. This is just surprising to see Shiba Inu do something like this. Like, it's very surprising. But anyways, let's go over more with Shiba Inu. So Coin Price Forecast predicts that Shiba Inu will reach the 0.0000132 area, which is kind of near the same thing by the end of 2021. Now, FX Street, they kind of predict the same thing. They say cryptocurrency market analysts believe that Shiba Inu coin can overtake Dogecoin. Now, overtake Dogecoin, I don't really know about that. Maybe inside gains, but never price. But in gains, yeah, Shiba Inu could overtake Dogecoin in gains, quite possibly. But Dogecoin's up a lot right now. So yeah, Shiba is definitely going crazy right now. I want to actually show you guys something else here. 651,000 people are holding Shiba Inu. 651,000 people total are holding Shiba Inu. That's huge right there. I mean, big news right there. And yesterday it was 651,510. Today is 651,895. Hit that refresh button, 651,926. So you can see why it just now shot up, because over 100 people just now invested in Sheep within the last 10 minutes. So something big is definitely cooking up here right now with Sheep. So I don't want to just be like FOMO here, but I definitely believe Sheep is going crazy, and Sheep is going to continue to go crazy. So I don't know. I see Shiba Inu going to places where a lot of different cryptos have not went. But anyways, look at this Leash Doge Killer right here on a catch-up package. Look, new developments coming for Leash, and especially what Shiba Inu just now announced about Sheep, like what they just now announced. That was also a huge statement. They're saying that there's about to be new stuff coming up for Leash. There's about to be new stuff coming up for Bone and Shiba Inu. So they're really about to start setting themselves apart from all these other meme currencies. So we're about to see a lot of different stuff coming inside the near future for Shiba Inu. So Shibarmy, just hold strong. And also, if you need some reassurance on your Sheep investment, just go over to the Shibarmy Reddit, because they have so many different stuff on here, and they will tell you every day about new things that happen. So remember, this Dogecoin whale wallet, they bought in $1.5 million, and now they're at $1.6 million. You remember, they bought 2 days ago of all of the sheep. That's a lot, 271 billion sheep that they bought. Or you could be like this guy and possibly get robbed and then just sit there and eat chicken wings for the whole time. So yeah, go over here to the Shibarmy Reddit. You need some motivation. This is where you want to go. They will motivate you to hold your sheep. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this is financial advice, so I'm not trying to tell you guys to buy it. I'm not trying to tell you guys to hold it. But if you do want some more motivation, come over here, be a part of the Shibarmy, help this Shibarmy community grow on Reddit. And yeah, this is all I got for you guys today. I just wanted to come here and show you guys that new news with the Sheep and Leash and Bone, and about what they're about to do with it. We don't know exactly what they're going to do, but we know they're cooking something up, and that also helped cause us to rise in price. So we know something's kicking up. We know that a lot of people are investing in Sheep. I bet if we hit that refresh button, that will not be 926. It'll be more. Hit the refresh button. Nope, still 926. But still, the first time we hit that refresh button, it actually refreshed, and then hundreds of new people invested into Sheep. So I definitely believe there's a lot of different potential here with Sheep inside of Leash, Bone, and Sheep Swap. We got different avenues right now of liquidity coming towards us. But anyways, that's all I got for you guys. If you guys like this video, though, please hit the like button, subscribe. I believe Shiba Inu is probably not going to break this resistance anytime soon. It'll probably retrace that back down a little bit and then try to break it later. But I don't think right now it'll just go crazy. And if it does, then it's because we have a major catalyst that I did not know about. So I definitely want to know. And if you guys know something that I don't know about Shiba Inu that I didn't mention it in the comment section. I'll be really appreciative of it. And I'll also shout you out the next video if you have some new information about Shiba Inu, because I can't find everything about it. It's hard to do all this research and find a bunch of stuff about Shiba Inu. But anyways, yeah, let me know what you guys find, and also comment in the comment section. Let me know what you guys want me to go over next. Because I have all these sticky notes on top of sticky notes full of stuff to go over. So my next thing is probably going to be maybe a Miami coin video, maybe farm, something in that area. But anyways, yeah, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.